So this week, guys, we're taking you to Silver Spring State Park.
So before we go explore today, you know us, we have to share with you some fun facts. So apparently people have been coming to Silver Spring since the 1870s. In the 1960s, they turned it into an amusement park, which you can kind of still see remnants of. We pulled in and the parking lots look huge and in a way kind of abandoned and empty. Maybe it gets really busy and they get filled sometimes, but I think that's probably left over from when it was an amusement park.
Yeah, it definitely has that old style amusement park feel when you walk into it with the big banner out front and all the stuff like that. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah. So over the years, the popularity seemed to dwindle a lot until 2013 when the state of Florida took over. They combined it with the already existing Silver River State Park. So today it's just known as Silver Spring State Park. They have tons to do here. There's a restaurant here, there's a sweet shop, they have a museum on site, they have a Cracker Village, which is a replica of an old pioneer village. Unfortunately, it's 2020, a lot of that stuff isn't open for us. But what they're probably most known for is their glass bottom boat tours. Mike and I plan to do one today, and we're really excited about that. I've never done anything like it.
Yeah, I haven't either, actually, so it should be pretty entertaining. If you don't feel like doing the glass bottom boat tour, or you'd rather do something else on the water, they also rent out kayaks, canoes, and paddle boards, and you can rent them. And the boat launches just on the other side of the parking lot, just away from the entrance.
There is no one better to take Captain over here, folks, and we're here to make sure he brings y'all back. Now, after 51 years, folks, Captain Oscar Canyon quite often does drive these boats in his sleep. So if it looks like he's taking a nap, well, he probably is. Y'all just leave him be. I promise he'll get you back. Now, folks, y'all will be joining Captain Oscar here aboard the Chief Micanopy, or if you want to say it properly, Miko Hanabi. Miko is the Seminole honorific for chief, and Hanabi was his name.
Good morning.
Morning, glad to have you here. So you gonna take some pictures?
Yeah, is that all right?
Yes, sir, I'll fix you. This is the rock magnet. This is the Silver River. No artificial light. That grass on the bottom, that's eagle grass. That grass goes anywhere from 3 to 5 feet. See, only place in Florida that snows year round. Only place in the world where it snows up instead of down.
How long you been doing this? 51 years. So there's a path that you can walk along the river, and about halfway up there's this mansion, and then there's this, it's one of the river boats out here, and it looks like they serve food out of it normally. So on the map it looks like this is usually an event place right in front of the mansion, so this is kind of a neat thing to see.
Okay, so we came in the main entrance today, and the main entrance gets you right to like the bottom, the glass bottom boats. So we did the glass bottom boats, kind of walked around this area, and there's a connector trail you can take down to where more of the hiking trails and the campground and everything are. Feeling a little lazy. It's really hot, so we decided we're gonna drive. I asked the young lady at the ticket booth, and she said, you go back out to 35th and go about a mile south. There's another entrance that goes to the campground there, and you can get to the hiking trails easier.
And we can go check out the campground too while we're over there.
Yeah. And we can sit in the AC in the truck for 2 minutes on the way.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't have to pay for
So I don't understand that. So you can go,
So budget tip.
tip would be that you go to that other entrance and pay $2.
Well, that's $2 a person, so if you have less than 4 people.
Ah.
So it's $8 entrance fee per vehicle on this side. So if you paid on this side, if you had like 10 people in one vehicle maybe, which I would think would be unlikely, but I don't know.
That's interesting.
We only paid $2 per person on the other side, so we paid $4. And then plus the glass bottom boats were $12 a person. But then we came over here. She didn't even look at my receipt. I held it up for her. She didn't look at it.
It could have been a CVS receipt.
No, it would have been way longer.
Oh, that's true.
So we are here on a weekday, and the perks of that are things are less crowded, but we just found out that normally you can't walk around or see anything in the Cracker Village or the museum area because Marion County in Florida actually sends their students here a couple days a week. The students kind of rotate through, it sounds like, by school. And they do a field trip day where they get to go around Cracker Village, they get to go on a boat down on the river and learn about the area, which to me excites like the kid in me, like that'd be such a cool field trip.
And maybe make pizza, we're not sure.
But the good thing, I guess, is that we were able to walk around and see a little bit of it. The gentleman we ran into told us that normally the buildings are open on the weekends and you can actually walk into each cabin, you can go in the museum, everything like that. So if you are wanting to explore here, not in 2020, definitely come on a weekend so you can see the museum and actually see the full tour of the Cracker Village.
So thanks for tagging along with us today, guys, as we checked out Silver Springs State Park. What'd you think?
It was a lot of fun. Easier to pronounce than the last state park we went to.
Which was Payne's Prairie Preserve State Park.
Oh,
not bad now that I said it 100 times. But anyway, if you guys are checking this place out, I would definitely recommend doing the boat tour.
Yeah, the glass bottom boats were probably my favorite. I haven't been able to see like any of the springs since we got down to Florida. We were only here for a couple months. And that water is just so cool.
It is
It's
really neat.
just crystal clear. Surely that wasn't a monkey throwing something.
That was a loud bang. But yeah, the glass bottom boat, there's some hiking trails here if you want to check it out. We did get a chance to drive by the RV park that looked really nice.
Yeah, nice pull-through sites. Not all of them, but a lot of nice pull-through sites. The cabins looked really cool too.
Yeah, they were like just right in the woods. We call them woods, I guess forest here.
Is it jungle?
Jungle.
What do you call the woods in Florida?
Yeah, right down below. What do you call your woods down here in Florida when it looks like this? Because this is all like prehistoric looking to me.
So thank you guys for tagging along with us as we explored. If you guys are new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of our adventures. Hit the like button if you like this video, and we'll see you guys next time.